Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your United Airlines online account password quickly and securely. Before your next United Airlines flight, make sure you're packed like a pro. Check out our ultimate travel packing list, everything you need for a smooth, stress-free trip. We've linked our favorite travel essentials in the description below. To start, go to united.com, then click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. On the field provided, enter your email or MileagePlus number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter the password. Then click on Sign In. A verification code will be sent to the number connected on your account. Enter the 6-digit code on the fields provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see an option that says View My United. Click on View My United. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. Then, a drop-down list will appear. From the options provided, click on the option that says Account Security. Under Account Security, you will see a section for Password. Click on the blue text that says Change your United account password. Before you could proceed to the next step, you have to confirm your identity first. On the fields provided, enter the 6-digit code sent to the phone number linked to your United account. Then click on Continue. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be redirected to this page. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering all the information needed, scroll down a little. Then click on the button that says Save My Password. That's how you change your United Airlines online account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.